Today we're gonna be mudding on this muddy racetrack with my Hot Wheels. Got this hammer. We got this truck. Here comes a red Chevy pickup. Ford Raptor. Four cars in the mud. Let's drive this Bronco through the mud. Police. Oh my! Matchbox dump truck. Let's fill the dump truck up with some mud. There we go. Chevrolet Bel Air with some big tires for mudding. That dump truck dumped mud on the Chevrolet Bel Air. How rude. Now we have the bus. Vroom, 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 vroom. Whoa! It crashed. This Dodge minivan. Vroom! Oh my gosh! The Ford Focus. Oh my gosh, went off the track. Dino Hunter. Let's go this way. One more car. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Wow, these cars are so muddy. They're gonna need a car wash. Alright, here comes the tow truck to get them all out. Dump truck is helping out. These cars are so dirty from driving in the mud. Let's give them a good car wash. Let's start with the first car, the Ford Lightning pickup. It's very dirty. First we gotta drive up this ramp. Whoop, and into the parking spot. Now it's time for soap. There's lots of soap on him now. Now it's time to get ready for the rinse. The Ford pickup is all clean. Let's set it down right here. Make sure it's extra shiny. Ta-da! On to the next muddy car. The muddy Ford Raptor. Take it up the ramp. Put it in the spot and it's time to rock and roll. All right, it's time to drive away. Vroom! It's all clean. Let's make it extra shiny. Scrub, 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 scrub. Alrighty. It's done! Yay! 1, 2 clean cars. Let's do the next one. This bus is dirty. Let's drive it up the ramp. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Into the spot it goes. Now time to spray the soap on. Time for the rinse. It's time to roll away. Whee! The bus is all clean. Time to give it an extra shine. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Little finishing touches and there. We got 1, 2, 3 cars clean. Now on to car number 4, the Hummer. It's very dirty. Let's drive it up the ramp. And into the spot. Whoa! Here we go. Time for soap. Get ready for the rinse. Time to roll away. Whee! The Hummer is all clean. Shine her up. Ta-da! Alright, next up is the Dino Hunter car. Let's drive it up the ramp. Vroom, 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 vroom. And into the spot. Soap suds. Time for a shower. Rolling down. Whee! The Dino Hunter is all clean. Time for an extra shine. Scrub, scrub, scrub. And there she is. All cleaned up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clean cars. Let's go on to car number 6, the Bronco. His tires are dirty. Time to go up the ramp and into the spot. Get ready for soap. Time to rinse the soap off. Time to drive away. Yeehaw! Whoopsie daisy. There we go. A nice clean Bronco. Time to shine it up. Scrub, scrub, scrub. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clean cars. Let's clean the police car. Let's drive it up the ramp. Vroom, 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 and into the spot. Get ready for the soap. Water time! Time to launch. Whee! The police car is all clean. Let's give it an extra shine. Here we go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Extra shiny. We did it! Yay! Now let's clean the tow truck. Drive it up the ramp. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And into that spot. Get ready for soap. Water time! Rolling out! Woohoo! The tow truck is all clean. Let's give it some shine. Scrub, scrub, scrub. All done. Ew. Up the ramp. Vroom, vroom, and into the spot again. Time for soap. Here comes the water. Rolling out. Whoop. It got stuck. It's all clean. Let's give it an extra shine. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Scrub, 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 scrub. And there we go. Let's clean that dump truck now. It's filthy. Look at that mud treading. Let's drive it up the ramp. Here we go. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And park. Ready for soap. Take a look at those beautiful suds. Alright, it's time to rinse. Rolling out. Whee! Make it shiny. Scrub, scrub, scrub. There we go. All nice and shiny. Now it's time to clean that 52 red Chevy pickup. Let's drive it up the ramp. Vroom, vroom, vroom. And into its place. Now it's time for soap. Check out these suds. Get ready for water. Woohoo! Dump the water out. Shine her up. There we go. That minivan is sure dirty. Let's drive her to the ramp. Up she goes. And into the spot. Soap them up. Check out those bubbles. Whee! Shine time! Beautiful! Next up, Ford Focus ST. It's got mud all over the front of it, and all down the side, and all over its wheels. We better clean this up. Up the ramp. Here we go. Soap it up. Check out the studs. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeehaw! Now it's all clean. Let's shine her up. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Uh-oh. Gotta get a little more shiny. There we go. Time to clean the last car. Let's get all this mud off. Let's go up the ramp. Up, up, up. driving out. Whoa, what a jump. Now time to shine them up. Here we go. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Hooray! We cleaned all the cars. No more mud. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Like and subscribe for more.